Okay, let's continue with this project. And I think I left off with going down, which, well, I need to label, but let's get a better look at this. I'm going to look at this in my selection box. Okay. Okay, so we are here. And so this is the layout. Let's go back and let's make this go down some. So I'm going down. That's our clean out. And that pipe is here. So as we can see, what I'm going to need to do is connect this pipe with this horizontal pipe with this vertical pipe. Okay, so it's this horizontal pipe, this vertical pipe. And I'm going to look at a section. So we are here. Let's bring it a little bit closer so a lot of information is not in the way. And let's just right click, go to view, and we can go here and get a reference. Let's go back to our section view. And so we're here. And I think the only thing I need to do is align these in plan view. And that's going to be, let's go back. And I think, okay, so I can move this in the horizontal up and down. So what I need to do is let's link, or let's align, modify. Let's go modify, align the first pipe with the second pipe. So we go to the section view. I'm going to back up just a little bit. And I think, let's see, let's go down. Let's create. Let's go here and go down 45, and we can connect right there. Okay, so now we have that all connected, so that looks good. So what I'm going to do now is label these annotation. We're going to use a leader but with a free end. I'm going to just say here, okay, SS. That's the 3-inch sanitary sewer. And the text is going to be down. So I'll say here and just abbreviate it 3-inch SS down. Also, there is going to be another 3-inch. Let's go here. And from above, I should say, I'm going to use this. Let's copy down, and also I would label this. Let's call it down from above. Down, FB. Let's call it FB, FA. FA, down FA, okay, so we have that. Okay, let's synchronize. Okay, and we have another that's going up, or it could be up. Okay, that's fine, we can leave it like that. Okay, I'm okay with the rest of this. That's our clean out is back here. Just use our arrow key. Let's call that a clean out. And washer and dryer, water closet, that's a kitchen sink. And we can label that as free in, no leader. Oh, that's a lavatory. Okay, that's a lavatory, kitchen sink. Okay, that's the kitchen sink. That's a shower, washer and dryer, water closet. Okay. And now for our vent system, that's more, it's going to look more like AutoCAD. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy, create similar here, and then change my system. It's going to be PVC, but I'm going to change my system type to a vent system. Okay, so now it's a vent system. And what I'm going to do, create similar, go here, and at 45 here, it should be 9 feet. I'm going to change my elevation to 9, so it's in the ceiling space. Okay, and from here, I'm going to have it go down. Let's draw a pipe and change my elevation to 5 feet and apply, and that's going to go down. I can move this over, let's see, up, over, and it's just an estimation. Okay, so that's going to be 9 feet. We're going to come down so we can get the rest of my the rest of the plumbing fixtures also have to have a vent connected to them, and so I'm going to create another vent system for my lavatory. Let's go 45. Let's go 45 here and go back here. Draw a pipe. It's going to be another 5 feet. Apply. Apply here. Okay. Let's move this guy out of the way. Put it down here somewhere. Okay. Now let's look at the shower. Let's create similar. Create similar. The shower. I could come out this way. Let's come out. Yeah, let's come out this way. 45 here. Okay. Go here.